Hi everyone, my name is Chetan and here we go with another episode of Campus Connections and today we got a member of Placement Cell, Shreya. So my first question to you is what does Placement Cell do and what's your role in it?
I think so. As the name suggests, the basic working of every placement cell is to get placements, to get internships. For us, if I talk, CVS is I think one of the very few colleges in Delhi University which have vocational courses, right? So vocational courses are not very highly talked about. If there's some student who's a part of a vocational course and they want to pursue something affiliated to their course in future, placement cell is a place where they can come for that specific career guidance. And the main agenda or the main objective of this very cell is for people around to have that clarity in mind of how their particular course or perhaps their particular knowledge looks like in future. It tells them or probably gives them a way so they can have clarity instead of just being confused or going to all the people about it.
Okay, and what's the process of joining it?
So as it is for every society, we have our session, our phases of recruitment, and those begin, I think, as the new tenure begins, and there's one mid-term recruitment as well. That completely depends on how the Google form looks like. If people apply, depending on the number of applicants that we have, there are like 3 to 4 rounds of application here. There is one round with Hacketry, which is, I think, the USP, which is different from other societies. Apart from that, there's again a GP, personal interview, a group interview, and then the main round is second. So 3 4 rounds of interview and that's it.
Okay. And what inspired you to join it?
Okay, so I think for me, I come from a family where both my parents are in corporate. It was something that I really wanted to explore on a personal level or on my level because I've seen that earlier. From family or from friends, I've been in touch with this, and if I never got an opportunity to probably explore it by my own, then I would have regretted it later. So placement cell in CVS was the first opportunity where I thought that I can directly be in touch with corporate or I can directly be in touch with big corporations as a whole, and that's why I think
And how Placement Cell is a different society than the other?
So there's like very one little tiny difference I feel. Each society gives you exposure. Each society makes you get in touch with other corporations, other companies. But for placement cell, it is entirely what you do. So if you go to some other society, there are different share of events. There are obviously the good parts, but alongside that, I feel there are also times where you just hover around, you're just playing or you're just having your time, which is very important. Business has that as well. But I think the main difference is that it somewhere or the other helps you develop as an individual at a much higher or greater level than other societies. Why? Because the atmosphere is entirely corporate. So if you want to, probably you see yourself being a part of some corporate later, this is a place which gives you that level of platform and that level of exposure to just directly see and have an hands-on experience.
Okay, and what advice would you give to the students who want to join the Placement Cell?
Okay, so I think there's no advice per se. The only thing is that if you feel that you can actually talk to people, communicate to them nicely, have an understanding of whatever you're doing and a reason behind why you're doing it, then that should not be a problem. There are people who want to explore and then they come to join placement cell. But if you do not have, there's no prerequisite knowledge required. But if you have like no knowledge at all of companies, so that's I think a problematic area. Apart from that, the people who want to join. What was the question?
The question was what advice would you give to the students who want to join the Placement Cell?
Right. Sorry. So I think for the advice, the main advice for people, there's again, as I mentioned earlier, there's no specific advice. It would only revolve around to just be aware of what you're speaking, communicate nicely, because that's all you do here in Aspire or any placement cell for that matter. You do not have a lot of events coming by. You do not have a lot of academic things going on. All you have is you're just talking to companies. There's company outreach. There is commercial outreach. So communication is a requisite, and that's I think the only specific quality that you can probably find.
And the last question is how it has helped you to grow in your field or whatever you want to do?
I feel it has helped me also as an individual to grow immensely when it comes to communicating. I always liked debating. I was a part of a lot of debating societies back in my school days, even in college. But placement cell gives you like a next level exposure. It's not just regular debating or regular talking to people about any random stuff or any random topic agenda. It's more of a very your everyday routine like based thing. So when it comes to placement cell, it's more about how I have developed as a communicator, as a person who probably used to hesitate about certain things, but now that I've tried them in my college, I won't after a point of time. So it definitely teaches you a lot of things. There are leadership qualities. You lead a team. You be a part of a team. You make other people understand what you've learned, and you just keep on continuing the legacy.
Thank you so much, Shreya, for answering all the questions. That's it.